Just want to show you how I prepare for a profitable week. I'm just going to be giving you value how I do my ASR. And then shit happened, bro. There was NFP, and then the spread just got wide, and then they just took me out, bro. Sometimes you may find that it's okay. For this week, there's just maybe 5 pairs on the top 6. Maybe I have 2 wild cards. It's not like I'm forced to have 6. Then now I just want to show you the pairs that I have for next week. So this is how I sort my pairs. So what is performance? When you are able to engage yourself into discipline acts in the forex markets, being able to avail yourself on market opportunities, given you won or lost, but then you were there every day, Monday to Friday. It's a beautiful Saturday today, and welcome to another day in a live video. So guys, today I'm gonna be taking you through my day. It's a Saturday, and I just want to show you how I prepare for a profitable, or let me just say a profitable week, just for the positive vibes. But then, so I'm gonna be showing you on how I prepare for a trading week, right, as a mentor, right? Because I'm a trading coach. Like, I do have students that I help as well. I have my trading to attend to as well, and my life too, and I'm still studying some ish. But then I'm gonna be taking you through my day. It's gonna be a good video. Watch the whole video. All my videos are full of value, guys. So today I'm just going to be giving you value how I do my ASR, how I help my students as well. If you'd be interested to join our team, you're gonna be seeing on how we're planning. But then today I have a few meetings, right? I have one meeting with the trading coach that I have on the Discord right now, because I'm no longer doing this alone. As I was saying, we're 2 now, right? So I have that guy to have a meeting on. I'm gonna show myself with the meeting, and then I have to have another Zoom meeting again, where I'll be helping a student. Where I'll be helping a student and clients with their trading robot, because I'm also offering a trading robot as well. And I also have a one-on-one today, right? I have a one-on-one session with the student again. So there's a lot, guys. There's a lot. So this is gonna be a beautiful Saturday, and I'm gonna be in the crib. And if I happen to go out, it's fine. I'm gonna show it in the video. So guys, right now I want to do the ASR for now, right? Let me just do the ASR, and then after that I'm going to be doing the meetings, okay? So I'm gonna be taking you through, you'll be hearing attentively on what I'm saying. But then and I decided to have a change of view. As you can see, I'm showing you guys the other side of my room, right? Because we're always fixated on the screen, right, on the chart. But then decided to starting the video like this. And man, I'm starting to be consistent with the vlogs and with the value as well. And if you've noticed, guys, my videos are now more crispier and much more nice edited, and the value is even more. Right, there's more value in these videos. Or every video I drop down, there's like gems to take in. Why? Because I'm starting to invest in the content. I have a video editor, right? I have someone making my my thumbnails, everything, guys. So I'm investing in the content and seeing it's okay. Where will the content take me? Because I'm like in as much as I'm a forex trader, I'm also interested in doing other stuff as well. I cannot be like there fixated in the graph all the time. So I need another thing, because I'm unemployed, right? I'm just a forex trader. I'm not even looking for future employment, bro. I just want to live my life like this, live in this house, and maybe soon I get a bigger mansion. But this for now, it's just gonna be cribbing, and man. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, my desk is okay. It's not a mess. There's these things here, but then okay. So this is my Google Drive. Let's get out of here. So yesterday, guys, I took a trade and I lost, bro. And I lost. Imagine, bro, having a winning trade, but you lost somehow. This is a trade that I took yesterday, guys, and it fucked me up. Yeah, man, it fucked me up. What happened here, guys? Okay, so I took NZD CAD. As you can see, this is NZD CAD. And then shit happened, bro. There was NFP, and then the spread just got wide, and then they just took me out, bro. I was so mad, bro, because in my head I'm like, okay, I knew that, okay, majority of the time the other pairs usually move as well when there's NFP, but then I was like, because it's just NZD CAD, it's not USD, maybe it will move a little bit, it won't take me out. And then this shit happened, bro. Like, I got an unnecessary loss. Okay, it wasn't, but look at the direction, bro. But yeah, man, this is the type of losses that I usually enjoy taking, by the way, because I have lessons to learn, right? And I didn't do anything wrong in terms of structure or psychology, things like that. I just took the trade and hoped it's okay, NFP won't kill me, but then it did. and I wasn't even trading a USD pair. But then for future reference, man, what I'm gonna do now is that every time there's NFP, I have to be mindful of that, and then don't take the trade, right? Don't take the trade when there's NFP. Just close it, bruh, right? So right now I just want to like journal the trade, right? So here's the trade, right? This is the trade, and yeah, I have to put in the ticket there. Okay, shit, another fuck up. Wait, okay, yeah. So this is the trade, yeah, I know. Okay, but then I'm just gonna write the reasons why I lost here, and yeah, man. And let me do this. I want to save the documents, browse, and make sure I'm saving the document. Yeah, this is November. This is November, man. This is November. Okay, I'm gonna write it on my spare time, right? And then, okay, where's the thing? Forex consistency system. This is the trading journal. And then 2024 Q4. We're in November now, so imagine it's the first week of November and already on a loss, bruh. Fuck this shit, bruh. Fuck this shit. And I put a profile. So look what happened. So this is the trade, guys. So close position, 118 US dollars gone, dog. And the trade was like, it didn't like even hit the stop loss. Just the spread fucked me up. Yo, bro, I was so mad. But then because yeah, I know how I should carry myself psychological wise, I wasn't phased, you know. So I tried not to be phased, and yeah, we'll move on. So right now I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna journal later, but then that is it. And hey guys, so right now I just wanna hop on a mentorship call with the students, you know what I'm saying? I trade everything, man. There's no specific number. That's the thing, because sometimes you may find that it's okay for this week. There's just maybe 5 pairs on the top 6. Maybe I have 2 wild cards. It's not like I'm forced to have 6 and also have 5 wild cards. Like, we give me a push down and a flag, I can take that this one because it's still there. But then it's not like something I'd have on watch like that. But then I'm observing it as well. So I usually look at everything so that I do not find myself missing trades, right? Because here the thing is for us to not miss trades, yeah, because majority of the wins are there where you are missing trades. You can have your losing trades here and there, but then if you win the home runners, a trade that can give you a 5-1, and then now 1-5, and then now you would have maybe recovered from losses, but then now you can't because yeah, man, because like you missed trade. So what I do is that I try to look at everything, and the way I look at these pairs, bro, I look at the market 3 times a day. Like when I wake up in the morning, I look at everything, bro. Even this side, the deleted symbols, because there's also this section called deleted symbols here where there are pairs that you might have deleted, right? And you may find that it's a Tuesday or Wednesday, maybe a trade is now available, right? And then you find yourself not taking the trade because you didn't see it, you deleted it, it wasn't ready at that particular time. But then now it's a Wednesday or Thursday, the trade is there. So I usually look at everything 3 times a day. In the morning and 12 noon, I look at the market. And then in the evening, when I'm about to sleep, around 8 or 9, it depends though, so that I can be prepared for the next day tomorrow. Right, guys, so right there I was doing a one-on-one session with clients, a student, right? So I'm done with that, and now I just want to show you the pairs that I have for next week. So this is how I sort my pairs. So currently I'm just having the currency pairs, and after I'm done here, I'm just going to look at the indices. Okay, so today I'm just going to be showing you you guys everything that I have for next week. And as you guys seen, Trump is now the president. Hopefully the market is going to be crazy as well, like the momentum, because we've been making momentum in the forex market, because you know this guy the United States president is a person who likes crypto a lot. So obviously a lot of money is going to be put into the forex market, and a lot of value is going to come out of it. So guys, as evidence to that, the market is looking crisp for next week. There's a lot of currency pairs that I'm looking at, and as you can see, juicy as hell. So the first one that I have, guys, I'm just going to be explaining the structures that I have, right? Close like the 4 hour. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have an expanding on AD CAD. So this is the 1 2 3 touch with these hook points whereby we push back to structure, and then we created that continuation pattern over there. So on the 1 hour time frame, we're just expecting a 1 2 3 continuation, because we do have a momentum down, and at this level we're at the we're at the amber zone of the pattern. At 2 touches it could be a little bit riskier, so I'd opt for the 3 touch at that. And the second one that I have is AUD NZD, right? So AUD NZD is like this. So we just created a mini scoop right there on these highs, and yeah man, and then we started to push in momentum to the downside. Okay, so we do have a momentum, and this one is looking fine as well, because if you look at the 15 minutes, is already forming in the middle section. So what I'm waiting for is for it to at least give me a little bit of depth, and then it comes up there to give me a 1 2 and then the 3, and then I'll be executing to the downside. All right, and then there's also this one that I can immediately take on Monday. So this one I can immediately take on Monday, guys, because as you can see, it's just a structure like this, beautiful structure and expanding, right? And yeah man, it's a 1 hour flag structure. We do have a push down, and if you can look properly on the one end of 15, there wasn't already an entry, but then however the entry happened when there was swaps, right? So what I do here is that I just maybe book myself, maybe let's say 16 pip or 15, man, yeah, maybe 15.8 pips, and I still stop here. When it comes down, it takes me in, and take the trade like that. And then I also have GBP NZD, which is looking good as well. You can see that okay, we did have the push up, we broke these highs, and we're trading on that area to the upside. As you can see, in that area there was a 1 2 3 touch continuation pattern on the 4 hour. It's moving out very much nicely, and at the 1 hour I'll wait for a continuation. And if we go to the 15, we can see that okay, we do have the first touch, waiting for the second touch, and then when it comes back for the third touch, we will be executing for the buys. And then also have NZD CAD. So if I'm a little bit fast, guys, you can just slow the speed of the video here on YouTube. I think there's an option there just for you to catch up. But NZD CAD, guys, I'm having a top right here, so it's just a 2 touch continuation. So we did have the scoop, and then we started to push in momentum to the downside, right? And then with that momentum to the downside, I'm just waiting for a 3 touch. As you can see, when you go to the 5, you see that okay, we do have this first touch, and then I couldn't do the second touch, so I'll be waiting for the third touch, and then I'll execute as that. And then for the NZTCHF one, guys, this one is clear, a scoop, and then a push down, and a 1 2 3 is going to be taken right there. So there's a lot of spots for choice, guys. We also have ATCHF whereby we have that high, we did take it out, my psychology pushed down, we're just waiting for continuations. Okay, we also do have a USD whereby it's an expanding, so it's a 1 2 3 touch double top, and then my psychology started to push down, so I'll be waiting for 1 2 3 touch in those areas, right? And then also have Euro CAD, which is looking like this. I'm looking to buy here like a 1 hour flag type of continuation, because we have 1 2 3 4, then I waited for it to come there, and then I'll take the buy. So we have multiple touches at that structure. And then also have Euro JPY, which we just got back to structure, right? The push back, just waiting for 1 hour flag continuation. The 3 touch, I'll be inside. And then here there's nothing but a push down, and here also have the expanding. So if we get a 3 touch in this area, still I'm inside, guys. So yeah man, that is it for the pace that I have for next week. You know, the vibes, they're looking good, I don't want to lie. I tend to put in more FRCs here. It's looking good like that. And with that, man, you know what, I'd also take a 2 touch here. I don't want to lie. If it just decides to do something like this, I don't see a reason why not to be taking a structured entry like that. So yeah man, so it's like this, so it's like this. So yeah man, so that's going to be the push up, and then yeah, so I'm just looking at this position right now. So something of those sorts, would it be good down the 2 touch? Nah man, I just wait for the 3 touch, because it is not anywhere that I take the 2 touch, guys. I'll wait for the 3 touch. If it doesn't happen, it is what it is, right? So yeah, man. And then these are the rest of the page that I'm observing. So yeah, man, that is a quick breakdown of what I have for next week. So what I do is I usually analyze on either on Friday nights or Monday morning, right? So on Friday nights and Saturday morning, I analyze the forex market and then make a decision on the pace that I should take. And yeah, man. So what it's left for me to do now is just for the indices and yeah. But then with that said, guys, I want us to continue with the other aspects of the video. So with that, I'm done with the breakdown. So let's continue with the video. Okay, guys. So it's that time of the hour. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here to talk about performance, guys. So this is a very key topic in improving your results, and please listen attentively to the whole conversation and you'll get a thing or two, and it will 100% improve your trading, guys. So do you know that knowing technical analysis, being very good, knowing every information out there in forex, whatever strategy you're doing on 100% isn't going to help you? And even if you do have psychological knowledge alone, still it's lacking. And that is what I like to call performance, right? So what is performance? Performance is when you are able to engage yourself into discipline acts in the forex markets, being able to avail yourself on market opportunities, given you won or lost, but then you were there every day, Monday to Friday, being there, waking up, doing all of those things. Because as traders, you can attest to this. You find yourself majority of the time, maybe let's say you take losing trades, right? And then you also miss a lot of high quality positions that turned out to be winners, right? Maybe let's make it an example. You took 2 losses in a week, and then there was a trade that you would have taken, maybe it was a 3% trade, but then you missed the trade, right? And then you find that would have been like a net plus 1% for the week. But then because you missed the trade, now you are still in drawdown. Not because you are a losing trader, no, but then it's because you are not availing yourself to winning opportunities when there's winners in the forex market. So guys, what you should know is you shouldn't have this mindset whereby when the market is slow, you'll be like, okay, the market is slow, you tell your head, because what usually happens is that your brain relaxes, right? Your brain tends to relax because you said from the week or from the morning of that particular day the market is slow, so there isn't going to be any opportunities. And then when an opportunity comes and leaves you, really, you thought the market was slow, so you couldn't even react fast because your brain is already slowed down. You are expecting slow market conditions, you aren't expecting trades either way. And then when you come in the evening to do an ASR, you find out there was a position. So this usually happened to me. It's a thing that used to happen to me, right? It even happens to me even these days, but then it's on a minimal, because I'm not a robot, right? I'm not an AI. I'm a human being. I have mistakes. I get tired, right? But then I'm not going to make that an excuse, because I'm here to make money in the forex market. So I need to I need to put in place solutions, right, in place so that I can minimize the mistakes, right? So let's say now you have that mistake of missing trades. That is a performance problem, right? You weren't available because you didn't perform. You were not there, right? You were not on the charts, right? Because you being on the charts, that is performing. You waking up in time, having daily routines, reading your trading plan, that is performance, because that is an action, right? It's an action that takes up energy, okay? And you will not have that energy if your life is a mess, right? You need a smooth life where you sleep early and wake up early. Like, do not sleep late and expect to wake up early, because you're gonna need that sleep to perform during the day, because we're not doing forex trading alone, guys. You have a life to live. As for me, I have school as well, right? I'm at school, so I really need to focus a lot, in my sleep, right? So how do you sort a performance problem? Let's just focus on the chart, right, than life aspects, right? So what I usually do is that to maximize my performance, okay, I usually now analyze 3 times a day, right? I'm forced to do that, right, in the morning, because when I wake up, I know that there's going to be positions, but then I don't start my day in the morning. I should make that clear. So I start the previous day, right? I analyze. Let's say I'm gonna analyze at night, maybe let's say 9 p.m. Okay, I have a partner again, someone that I confirm to, or what can I say, we can negotiate and look at the market and say, okay, there's this possible position for tomorrow, what do you say about it, so that you can be prepared, right? Let's say the position now comes, you understand that, okay, no, I'm gonna stay out of this trade because it is high risk, because I did give myself time in looking at the trade. Whereas if you didn't have that evening session, you'll wake up in the morning, you'll see that trade, you take the trade very fast because you just saw there was no time for you to think, right? And then after some time, when the trade is lost, now you find out that, okay, fuck, I made a mistake here and here and here and here. So you find that if you are well prepared, right, for the trade before it comes, you are able to alleviate the mistakes we usually do when we take a trade and then we find out later that there was this mistake. I'm sure majority of us, we go through that. You take a trade, right, and then you realize after you lose that the trade was high risk. It's because you were not prepared. It's the performance part of it, right? So some of you don't even know what to do. So this video is to help you to know what to do. So you need to have a session at night, right, before you sleep, maybe with a friend, someone who you work with, or maybe if you are in a Discord server, have friends there, you look at the market together. So that is what I do, me. We look at the market together, usually the evenings. For those who are going to be available online, we discuss the trades for tomorrow, or have an accountability partner, so that you prepare. If there's high risk, you check, and also you check news, right? Because now the market is slow. It's an Asian session, right? There's nothing happening that much. It's at night, so the market is usually moving very slow. So you are able to look at news. If there's going to be news for tomorrow, you already know, maybe it's okay, there's going to be USD news, so you have to avoid USD pairs at these times, right? Because sometimes you find ourselves taking trades not knowing that they are news, and then whilst you're inside the trade, you find yourself losing, right? Because there were news that you didn't even notice, because it is like not something that is we do every day to check news. We do check it once in a while, right? Because there was this time I remember I traded a CAD pair, but there was NFP that week, and I realized while I was inside, which, oh fuck, it's the first week of the month, there's NFP, and I find myself getting an unnecessary loss. So those things you prepare for them the day before, and then in the morning, guys, when you wake up, now it's time, you come to the forex market, right? You remember yesterday you looked at the pairs, and then when these trades are shaping up very well, you are able to take the trade with confidence. You are like, okay, because I was expecting a 3 touch from yesterday, now it's happening. There's no that much risk than when you just were surprised. Oh, there's a position, bro, let me take it now. No, don't do that, because that messes up with your performance, because you'll make a lot of mistakes, and you're going to be happy when you take a trade you've been preparing for, and you will see improvements in your results, right? And then you analyze again when during the day. Maybe, as for me, I usually do 12 noon again at school. Let's say I'm at school now, I also check the market at 12, because from school I might break at 1, right? And then I have to like commute to the house. So from 1 to maybe I'll come in the house like around 2 p.m. So you see those 3 hours in between, you are going to miss trades, guys, because the market usually evolves. Like I analyze in the morning, like it was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 7 hours. And that is a lot of price action that would have happened, right? So you need to be analyzing in intervals. That is performance. You need to perform that way. Check the market at 12. There's usually trades at 12 or 1 or 2, right? Because I'm a busy person, I have to do that, so that along the way, if I saw when I was at school that, okay, there was a setup coming up, I'm able to take a trade on the phone, right, when I'm along the road, because I cannot be using my laptop on the road, right? I check, okay, it is now in the second touch or the third touch, I take the trade. And then when I get into the house, I manage my trade properly. There's no mess made. And then at the evening again, I start preparing for the next day. So that is how I'm able to perform. And I find it myself not having majority of missed trades using that, because you find yourself having missed trades because you underperform yourself. You just analyze once a day, and then during the day you just peep through the market. You don't look at the market in a deep level. You just peep the market using a phone. There's no price action you can check properly using a phone, right? You need a bigger screen. So you need times in the day where you sit down, check your screen on a laptop, right? So that is the lesson for today, guys, and this is gonna change your trading a lot. It's a psychological thing that I also tell my students to do, and like my trading just changed in a space of 3 weeks, and I started to see improvement. So that is why I was able to also flip the accounts, because I couldn't miss trades. Majority of the trades I could take, and I was able to avoid high risk trades because I prepare and risk mitigate before the trade happens. So guys, I'm done with the tips. If you want more videos like this, guys, please subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video so that it get pushed, and so that I can get the confidence to keep on giving you guys these gems for free here on YouTube. And if you are looking for mentorship, yes guys, I do offer mentorship, and now it's just 500 ZAR, right? So you to get into the Discord. So what do you find in the Discord? There is live trading 24/5. So we live trade every day for 5 days of the week. And there's also VIP signals, okay, you get the signals, and there's also the forex classes. So we do have weekly classes, right, every week, and then we have tasks, and then with that, all of the members in the Discord have a chance to have a one-on-one with me on that particular month for a certain period of time, a one-on-one session. So for all of that for 500 ZAR. So if you're interested to do that, just hit me up. I'm gonna pop my number for WhatsApp, and then you do that. And I also am offering a free Telegram channel whereby I do updates, I post free setups, and I also post discounts if there are any that particular month. So if you want to join that free Telegram channel, the link is going to be below. And guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Yes sir.